Hello friend, this is Prashant. I have MacBook Pro 16 inch and I am using Windows along with Mac OS. So now let me tell you and let me show you how I am using this. As of now you can see this is Mac OS and I am switching it to Windows. First of all I should have to shut down. Just go here on Apple icon, click on shutdown and just press shutdown. As you can see, as of now it is in shutdown mode. Now press the power button and after pressing just press option key on your Mac OS. Now you can see I have two options to choose: Mac OS, that is my name Prashant, and another one is Windows OS. So I am gonna choose Windows. After clicking on Windows icon, just go for this arrow icon, just click on that, and now you can see Microsoft Windows is starting in Mac OS, in MacBook Pro. This is real, this is not fake. Now the Windows 10 is just in front of you. You can see this. Okay, you can browse it, you can check the properties of this. People doesn't believe that is possible or not, so it's real, but you should have more than 128 GB of storage in your MacBook. Then you will be able to continue both operating system on same PC. So this is Mac, same, it is working just like Windows and all feature work correctly. You can see internet also working. Let me browse something so people might believe that it's working really. Just go for google.com and you can see the Google home page is here. Full feature of Windows is working correctly, properly in Mac OS, and it is possible. And if you guys already have installed and you are facing issues how to switch back to your Mac OS, then let me show you how it is done. Let it be. Ye to I can reinstall it later. Oh, it's gonna install in just less than 1 minute, so we should wait. You can also see the speed is working proper, mind-blowing speed. Yeah, you can see Chrome is installing and done. Finally Chrome installed in this PC. This is my Windows PC. I am using Windows and Mac two in same machine. This asking for some settings, you can do it later on. And now just close all these things. Okay, and if you wish to switch to Mac OS, then if you go here for shutdown, as of now you can see I am shutting down this PC. Yeah, it's shut down. And when you press the power button from MacBook Pro, then again the last window which you have opened will open in front of you, and you don't worry, your Mac OS and data is safe. You don't need to worry about that. Next I will tell you how to switch from Mac OS to Windows. You can see here again Windows 10 is open. Now just directly shut down from here. Okay, now this PC is shut it down. Just press power button, and after pressing this, just press and hold option button on your Mac OS. When will you press and hold option button, you can see option of switch from Mac to window, window to Mac will display here. You can see here Mac OS partition and Windows partition. If you wish to open Mac OS, then just go for Mac OS and then click on the arrow, and now the Mac OS is open. That's it. Enjoy. Have a great time. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.